Screening applications manually is slow, and the bigger the pile, the less consistent it gets. By CV30, you're not applying the same standard you were at the start. In this project, we used Claude to score 50 applications against a structured rubric in a single pass. Here's how it works. Before the AI touches anything, you need a rubric. Think of it as the marking scheme. It tells Claude exactly what a good candidate looks like for this specific role. The criteria you can see on screen are a solid default for most roles: relevant experience, education, skills alignment, and any extras like certifications. Each one is scored 1 to 5. You can adjust the weighting or criteria for specialized roles. And if you're not sure where to start, you can just ask Claude to draft the rubric for you based on the job description. Once the rubric is ready, the whole process runs in one prompt. Upload the resumes as PDFs directly into Claude. No copying, no pasting. Add the rubric and job description as separate files. The prompt tells Claude to read every CV, apply the rubric, and return 1 row per candidate. Score per criterion, total out of 25, and a short flag for anything worth noting. One thing worth flagging: applications contain personal information such as names, addresses, or employment history. If you're using a personal Claude account rather than a company-provisioned one, check your organization's data policy before uploading real candidate files. When in doubt, use Claude to build and test the rubric, and keep the actual screening inside your approved tools. The rubric sets the standard. The prompt does the work. What you get at the end is a ranked list your team can actually act on, not a pile of PDFs to get through. If you'd like to try this yourself, you can find the rubric and prompts in the description below. And don't forget to check out our other videos to keep learning how to apply AI to real-world tasks.